Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss cross product of two vectors. Cross product is also known as vector product. Dear students, we know that vector product is of two types. One is dot product and second one is cross product. We have already discussed dot product and the video of dot product of two vectors is available on this channel. Let us define cross product or vector product of two vectors. Cross product or vector product of two vectors is defined as, let A and B are two vectors, then their cross product, which is denoted by A cross B, is also a vector. Remember, my dear students, when we take cross product of two vectors, it is also a vector quantity. Hence, cross product is also known as vector product and is defined by A cross B. Cross product of two vectors A and B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta and unit vector n. That is, cross product of two vectors A and B is equal to magnitude of A multiplied by magnitude of B multiplied by sine theta and unit vector n, where theta is the angle between two vectors A and B and n cap is the unit vector in the direction of A cross B. My dear students, note that A cross B is also a vector and A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Let us find the direction of A cross B, that is cross product of two vectors A and B. Let us suppose that this is vector A and this is vector B. I will put my right hand in the direction of vector A and I will curl my right hand from A to B like this way. The direction of thumb is the direction of A cross B. Let me repeat. Suppose that this is vector A and this is vector B. I want to find the direction of A cross B. I will put my right hand in the direction of vector A like this. Then I will curl my right hand from A to B. The direction of my thumb is the direction of A cross B. If I want to find the direction of B cross A, this is vector B and this is vector A. Once again, I will put my right hand fingers in the direction of vector B and I will curl it from B to A like this. The direction of my thumb, which is downwards, will give the direction of B cross A. The direction of A cross B is given by right hand rule. Let me read right hand rule for you. The direction of A cross B is given by right hand rule. Put your right hand along vector A, first vector, so that palm of your hand faces vector B, second vector. Then curl your hand from A to B. The direction of thumb gives the direction of A cross B. Suppose this is vector A, this is vector B, then I will curl my right hand from A to B. And the direction of thumb, that is direction of A cross B, is upwards, which is perpendicular to both A and B. If I want to find the direction of B cross A, then I will curl from B to A. And the direction is again given by the thumb, which is downwards. It will be like this. A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction will be perpendicular and upwards. B cross A is again a vector, but the direction will be downwards. Let us find the cross product of unit vectors I, j and k. We know that I is a unit vector in the direction of x-axis, j is a unit vector in the direction of y-axis, and k is a unit vector in the direction of z-axis. Now let us find I cap cross j cap. This is equal to, by definition, magnitude of I cap into magnitude of j cap into sine theta. What is the angle between I and j? It is obviously 90 degree. Sine of 90 degree and n cap. This is equal to magnitude of I cap is 1 because it is a unit vector, and by definition magnitude of unit vector is 1. Magnitude of j cap is again 1. Sine of 90 degree is equal to 1. And n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both I and j. And we know that a unit vector which is perpendicular to both I and j is k, because I is along x-axis, j cap is along y-axis, and k cap is along z-axis, and we know that z-axis is perpendicular to both x-axis and y-axis. Hence, in place of n cap, I will write k cap. Therefore, we have I cap cross j cap equals to k cap. Similarly, we have j cross k, which is equal to I cap. And we have k cross I. This is equal to j. To remember the cross product of unit vectors, let us draw a circle. This is a circle. Here I have written I cap, then j cap, then k cap. If we move in anti-clockwise sense from I to j, then I cross j equal to k, j cross k equal to I, k cross I equal to j. I cross j equal to k, j cross k equal to I, k cross I equal to j. So that we have I cross j equal to k. This will give us j cross I. If I change the order, if I cross j equal to k, then j cross I equal to minus k, and so on. Let us find the cross product of two vectors when vector A and vector B are given in component form. If vector A equals to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector B equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, find A cross B. To find the cross product of two vectors A and B, that is A cross B, I will construct a determinant. This is the determinant I cap, unit vector I cap, j cap, k cap. This is our first row. Now in second row, I will write the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap. Coefficient of I cap is 1, j cap is 1, k cap is 1. Now I will write the coefficients of second vector in this third row. Coefficient of I cap is 2, j cap is 3 and k cap is 4. Now I will solve this determinant. Consider first row. Here the first element is I. Let me write I. I will hide this row and this column containing I. What I have? I have 1, 1, 3, 4. I will construct a small determinant. 1, 1, 3, 4. Now I am considering first row. After I cap I have j cap. I cap is plus, second one is minus. I will write minus j cap. I will hide this column containing j cap and this row. Now I have 1, 1, 2, 4. I am considering first row. Then I have k cap. I will write plus k cap. Again I will hide this column containing k cap and the row containing k cap. I am left with 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Now I will simplify it. I have I cap. I will cross multiply 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Then 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. And I will write minus here. Again this is minus j cap. Cross multiply 4 ones are 4. Minus of the formula 2 ones are 2. Plus k cap. Again cross multiplying 3 ones are 3. Minus of the formula 2 ones are 2. I cap 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus j cap 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus k cap 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1 into I cap, that is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. If vector A equals to I plus j plus k, vector B is equal to 2I plus 3j plus 4k, then A cross B is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. This is all for today. Keep watching and subscribe the channel to see more videos about physics and chemistry.